Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to learn how to make this Coco twist hairstyle. So if something that you love to learn, so keep on watching. Okay, so guys, this is the kinky I will be using to make this Coco twist hairstyle, and this kinky is the short length. So I'm gonna measure it, like I'm gonna cut it into 3 parts. So by doing so, when I finish cutting it, I have to like make it fluffy, and yeah, that is it. And this is my hair. My natural hair is ready. So what I'm gonna do for the root of my hair, I'm gonna take little kinky hair and try to braid it. Just I will cross it together. So I will just braid it a little from the beginning. Then before I will now attach a kinky that I'm gonna twist it. But I'm not gonna twist it like I'm gonna wrap it, like it's gonna be like a wrapping, you know, the way you make a dread. So yeah, this is when I attach the big kinky that I'm gonna twist. So basically from the roots here I twist so it's not gonna be loose. Then at the beginning I start wrapping it like the way you're seeing me wrapping. So this hair is just like this, very simple to achieve, and I'm gonna make the second one then before I move to another line of section of this hair. So just watch. There is gonna be a place I'm gonna make a slow motion for you to able to understand and create your own Coco twists. This hair, no one has even told me that this hair was so beautiful. Like this hair gets beautiful when it's getting old. I'm going to show you the result of the new and the result of when it was old, so you tell me the difference on this hairstyle. Okay, so enjoy your video and let me know what is your thought. And if this is your very first time stopping by my channel, come closer, come closer. Hi, hello darling, you're welcome to the family where we slay on a low budget. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, my darling, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscription button so that each time a video like this is coming up for you, you will be the one to see it first. And for my return subscriber, thank you for always coming to support your girl. I really appreciate and I love you guys. So enjoy your video for now. So yeah, this is the part where I'm going to make it slow for you. So just watch closer and you understand how to make this hair. You can create it by yourself or even for your friend. So you can take notice that at the root I twist it very tight a little. Then at this point now I start wrapping it, so I make it loose. Like I start wrapping it, not twisting it. You can understand. So just watch the way my hand is, the way I'm wrapping it. So are you seeing it? So with this, it's just like a dread to me. Just this hair look like a dreadlock to me. I don't know. That is why I say this hair is very beautiful when it's getting old. So this is the front section. So I have to cut the kinky hair into 4, not into 3 again, because I want to make it to come front. So just watch the way I'm gonna make it. So like I'm gonna style it, you understand? There is nothing different, it's just the same thing, just that is the length that is differentiated. So you look at your forehead and check where you want the length to be for you. So just try to, you know, to measure and also make sure all of them that are in equal length for you. Can you see that I'm trying to measure it? And yep. So yeah, and I'm gonna use this mush to, you know, to kind of like to touch on the hair and to give me that shining look. Can you see how beautiful I am? And this is when the hair was old. You see, this one is the new, and you see the hair is very beautiful, but this is when it was old. Can you see the difference? That when it's getting old, this hair is getting more beautiful. So let me know in the comment section, what is your thought? I love you all. Stay blessed. I see you on my next video. Bye.